And a quarter a pop. This thing will pay for itself in no time. Which reminds me, step up, boys. First one's free.
Thanks, Mr. Krabs.
No thanks, I'll pass. Come on, Squidward. You know you want to. Okay, you insist. I'm in the machine. Oh boy, what fun. You lose. Did you see that, SpongeBob?
What are you doing?
On my first try. My work here is done. They don't call me Squidward Manual Dexterity Nothing.
Well, why don't I give it a try?
Good luck. You'll win.
It's a bear. I'm gonna call you Barry.
Beginner's luck. The master's time.
Well, Squidward, you flipped him over. That takes an awful amount of skill.
Well, thank you for saying so.
Barry says he's getting lonely. Don't worry, Barry. I'll get you a friend.